The StandUp Modular Stage System is so easy to set up. One person can set up a complete stage in just 10 to 12 minutes. Let's walk you through the process. First, move the modular platforms to the stage area. Unfold the legs of the first platform and place it in the desired location. Next, install the first platform connector. Place the connector underneath the platform edge that will directly abut the next stage platform. Align the holes on the connector with the holes on the stage. Then screw in the black oxide hex bolts from above the stage platform. Note, you'll never have to go underneath the stage for setup. The whole process can be completed from above the stage. Then slide in the next stage platform and align the holes of the next platform with the holes from the connector. Once again, screw in the hex bolts from above the stage platform. Once secured, you'll have a flush platform that is level and free of any trip hazards. Repeat this process until all your stage platforms are secured. Our stand-up stages are available with an optional step system that provides a secure way to climb onto the stage. To set up, you first unfold the stage steps. Install the security nuts and bolts for the first and second rung of the steps on both sides. There's an additional rear bar that is also secured with a nut and bolt on each side to provide added rigidity and strength. Now you can adjust the front levelers to ensure the steps are level with your flooring. Next, align the holes on the top bar of the steps with the holes on the edge of the stage platform. Then insert and tighten the black oxide hex bolts to secure the steps to the stage platform. Finally, let's add some stage rails. Place the top of the rail above the edge of the stage platform. Then insert the bottom of the rail clamp through the rail piping. Then screw in the bolt to secure the clamp with the rail system. Then tighten the clamp by turning the clamping knob by hand. Repeat the process for both clamps. Then repeat the process to set up each desired railings. Now let's finish the look. Add stage skirting in just seconds. You first clamp on the plastic connectors to the stage. Make sure the Velcro is pointed to the sides. Then present the Velcro surface on the inside of the stage skirting and press firmly. Repeat this step for each Velcro strip until completed. And voila! Now you've assembled a professional stage system in just a few minutes.